while shooting this video for all my beloved fans and viewers from all parts of the world, wherever you are sitting and listening to me. I am a normal human being, but let me tell you and ask you a very important question from all of you. Are you finding the ways to take away from your mental stress, anxiety and depressions? Are you not able to get enough sleep for the night? And do you have a sleeping disorder? Are you taking the sleeping pills? Because the latest research from all parts of the world, scientific laboratories and all other medical scientists, doctors, researchers, they have been telling us for a long time depression is one of the most chronic and alarming diseases in the world. So if you want to release your mental stress and want to get a proper sleep for the whole night, believe me, that has been proven from the various scientific research laboratories, psychiatrists, doctors and all other scientists who have been searching for the real remedy for your sleeping disorder, stress, anxiety and all other mental diseases. Let me tell you, friends, if you want to take a proper sleep for the whole night and consistently as well as regularly, you should go to the nature, because nature is your real friend. Without nature, you cannot be able to refresh up your mind, your eyes, your body and soul, because nature is filled with the real beauty like flowers, trees, palm trees, chirping birds, grassy lands and the all other beautiful aspects of the nature. With that, you could feel really relaxed, mentally calm, composed, serene, happy and completely satisfied. Believe me, if you make a habit of going to nature on a daily basis, like you go to the nature and start 30 minutes brisk walking, strolling, jogging, or running, you could really feel the difference in a few days. That is the best way to relax your body, mind and soul, because nature is so beautiful that gives you the real charm of life, how to spend your life. And if you do jogging or even 30 minutes brisk walking on any jogging track, wherever you are living, you should go to the nature, get close to the nature and find the ways for your fitness. You could listen to the real music of nature, because this is not fake. This is completely original and blessed with the beauty that nature could only provide you.